Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. Today, we will learn how to create a flow that uses a log message node. With Node-RED open in your browser, drag and drop a log message node from the Catenis Flow palette into the Node-RED workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties slide-out panel, choose the Catenis virtual device you previously configured. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. You can pause the video to do this now. Please refer to the description of each field under the section named Node Properties Panel Field Description, or check out the previous video titled Understanding the Log Message Node for information on proper usage. Now click the Done button. Now drag a debug node into the workspace. Wire the log message node to the debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the log message node. Then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Alter the information in the inject node's Properties slide-out panel by selecting the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this. Click the Done button. Click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box, then click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. Note that inputs injected into this node via a JSON object containing alternate node properties will override the properties set on this node's slide-out properties panel. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great! In our next video, you'll learn how to use the Retrieve Message container node.